إننا نولي بيئتنا جل اهتمامنا، لأنها جزء عضوي من بلادنا وتاريخنا وتراثنا. لقد عاش آباؤنا وأجدادنا على هذه الأرض، وتعايشوا مع بيئتها في البر والبحر، وأدركوا بالفطرة وبالحس المرهف الحاجة للمحافظة عليها، وأن يأخذوا منها قدر احتياجهم فقط، ويتركوا فيها ما تجد فيه الأجيال القادمة مصدراً للخير ونبعاً للعطاء.
From this land of vision and resilience, the world gathered in Abu Dhabi, the United Arab Emirates, to reflect, to speak out, and to commit to action for the planet we all share. Protecting and restoring ecosystems is not just about conservation. It is about our survival, our health, and the future of every generation. Nature is also our greatest ally. From mangroves that protect coastlines from storm surges to forests that store carbon and regulate water cycles. Empowering indigenous peoples and local communities to safeguard the diversity of life is essential to a resilient and sustainable future. No country, no community can succeed alone. Global cooperation and leadership are essential to address climate change, biodiversity loss, and environmental crises. Together, we can scale solutions that no one could achieve alone. Nature is in crisis. Our planet's systems, the ones that sustain life, are reaching breaking point. Time is running out. True action for nature requires equity and participation. Women, youth, indigenous peoples, and local communities bring wisdom, courage, and creativity. Environmental defenders protect our shared future, and we must support them. Science, traditional knowledge, and technology are tools to transform intention into action. From labs to classrooms, from drones to forests, we harness every insight to build effective, lasting solutions. Ambition is not enough. We need aligned human, financial, and technological resources. From regenerative agriculture to nature-positive urban planning, investing in nature secures a climate-resilient, just, and prosperous future for all. From Abu Dhabi, we stand united. One nature, one humanity, one future. Together, we can, and together, we will.